Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can recover deleted friends on Snapchat. It's pretty simple. You can follow me and I'll tell you how to do. So first of all, open up Snapchat and let's suppose I'm deleting a friend. Now click on the profile. Now tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Now tap on manage friendship and remove friend and tap on remove. In this way, you guys have seen that I have deleted my friend. Now, how can I find it, or how can I recover it? So, first of all, you have to tap on the add button, which is on top right corner. After tapping on it, here are the list of people which are associated with you. So you can find it here, or you can also tap on all contact. So it will extract all your contacts from your phone book, and you can find it here. And another method of which is pretty simple is you just have to type the Snapchat handle or Snapchat account here. So I'm typing it. So here it is. You guys have seen I have typed the name of him, and I can tap on add. In this way you can recover your deleted friend on Snapchat. So that's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.